So I hear you ask, how do you add a particle texture to a Particle Systems 2 simulation in After Effects? Because you need to use Particle Systems 2 for a specific thing. Well, that's a very specific question, my friend, but I have the answer for you. Let's say you wanted to make this Pikachu your particle because you like it. So what we're going to do, we're going to drag it into our composition, and then I'm going to pre-compose it. And I'm also going to change it to be the full size of my other composition, which is 1920 by 1080. And we're going to go back to that composition, and then we are going to put the particle systems on that layer. And we see that it is exploding. If we go over to particle and change it to the texture, would you look at that? It's the texture. That's pretty cool. So the answer is that you have to put the particle simulation on whatever texture layer you want to use, and then it will use that as the texture. Make sure you kiss your boyfriends.